03 Mercury Marauder. So let's take a look at the inside. Some of these do come with heated seats, but this one didn't. And some come with sunroofs, but didn't. I do have a silver interior. Inside, sport shifter on the floor. Odometer gauges right in here. Boost gauge, fuel gauge. Take a look at the back. These cars are really comfy and spacious. They do come with 18-inch polished chrome wheels. Also, some did come with a spoiler installed from factory and some didn't. This one did. It's a real good car. Yeah, let's take a look at the engine. This does have a Trilogy Motorsport Supercharger on it. I did install more also catch can, Ford Racing oil cap, GT500 coil covers, color match radiator cover, LED bulb up there. Yeah guys, it's a real good car, man. Really fast.